Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kotek, and I'm here from company Funzionano. Today, I will be speaking about the new environmentally friendly POSS additive for enhanced flame retardants. But first, I would like to say some words about my company Funzionano. Funzionano is a startup, 5 years old, with a long research history from the Syntef, which is approximately 15 years. We have a strong capital and investors behind us. Syntef, Kongsberg Innovation, Skagerrak, and Norwegian funds Investinor. Our target is to bring the new unique technology to the market. Today, we are entering pilot phase with the first dedicated customers. What is Funzionano doing? We are developing the hybrid nanoparticles additives with trade name DPIRE. These additives could be used by our customers for different usage, but our main focus is to work with the fire retardancy. Strength of Funzionano is that Funzionano can work closely with the customers and modify the molecule that way that we can deliver a product which is special designed for the customer use. It can be water, solvent, or solvent-free additive. This allowing us to bring very good product which is neat. Now, why POSS, or what is the POSS? How is the POSS functional? That I will answer in next few slides. I will start with what is the POSS. It's an anorganic organic hybrid polymer, polyhedral oligomeric silsequioxane. You can see it at the picture on the right side. General molecule of POSS is containing 8, 10, or 12 silanols, creating cage structure. All of the silanols are containing organic functional groups, which can be modified for the different application and usage. As we start with working with PVC application, our main target in Europe, it's reduced to ATO usage general. But by the modification of the functional groups on the silanols, we don't need to be working just with the PVC, but we can modify the molecule for other polymers as polypropylenes, polyethylenes, UPR, vinyl esters, rubber foams, and others. Why to use the POSS? Because most of the flame retardants are containing additives which are not environmentally friendly, or they are toxic, or they have some health issue possibilities. For example, PVC, fire retardant, it's containing, or it's based on ATO. Best of unsaturated polyester resins are based or halogens, but a lot of the other plastic containing phosphorus compounds. All of these chemicals are not environmentally friendly, and if they are used, it have to be used high amount to get the right flame retardancy. But this amount can have a bad properties, for example, for mechanical, weathering, and others. That can be changed by the using our POSS. As our additive, POSS, is label free, it can have very big role for the protection of the most valuable thing in our life. It's a protection of the people, property, or environment. POSS additive prepared by the Funzionano are in compliance with most regulation as REACH in Europe or Kotek for a textile. Our POSS doesn't contain any substances which are listed in the requirements there. Now we are coming how it's POSS functional. In the next few slides, I will show you how it's performing in different polymers. First, I would like to show you in the PVC. We tested POSS in PVC by the ISO 11925 norm, which is a single flame source test. This test was done with 1.3 millimeter thick PVC film with different setup. On the picture at the right upper part of the slide, you can see what we prepared. We prepared the PVC without any of the FR additives. This is burning very well. If we prepare the PVC just with ATH, it's getting a lot of the sagging. But if we combine the PVC with ATH and the other POSS, we have a very low sagging and very low flames. You are maybe asking why it's POSS functional or how it's the POSS functional. My answer is that POSS is creating small char layer which is protecting the rest of the PVC from extra burning and extra flames and burning totally. Even the small dosage of additive have very good impact of the flames and time to flame extinguishing. You can see it on the graph on the right side. POSS can be also used in the PVC which containing lot of the plasticizer, 60 to 95 POR of plasticizers, but maybe it have to be used with the other flame retardant additives to get the perfect performance, fire retardant performance. Similar performance we can have with the polyurethane. We tested polyurethane foam based on polyol MMDI together with our POSS additive with single flame source test, ISO 11925. We expose the polyurethane foam with the 30 seconds flames. And as you can see on the picture right below, when we expose the polyurethane foam, the very fast was created the char layer, which was protecting other part of the foam for the burning. We try to burn the foam extra 60 seconds to see if the extra flame have some influence for the burning, if we can burn more. But the char layer is that strong that we were not able to burn the polyurethane for more. On the pictures with the red circle, you can see how it's a function. There you can see that the char layer is created, and when the flame is attached, there is created that char layer which is protecting the rest of the foam. If we will go to the next slide, where the unsaturated polyester resin is, Most of you know that unsaturated polyester resins are burning very well. You can see on the picture on the right. We prepare the laminate with the standard unsaturated polyester resin for marine with the 3 layers of the glass and try to burn. It's burning pretty easy. If we use of only the upper POSS, we can increase the fire retardancy itself, but it's not perfect. Together with ATH, we can get very, very good results for the fire retardancy. You can see of the laminate from the front side and the back side when the flame or laminate was exposed the flame 15 seconds plus 15 seconds. In this case, we are able to decrease the amount of ATH used in the resin to get the same results as here, but with lower amount of ATH together with the POSS. I show you the POSS in the different of the plastics, but generally it's a new innovative, and it's possible to use it not just in the PVC, polyurethane, or UPR, but it's also possible to use in the others as a BP, PE, foams, vinyl esters, epoxies. It's non-toxic, which can reduce all of others toxic fire retardant additives used in all of the plastics. It can be custom made, which also give the really good properties, not only for the fire retardancy, but for possible others. That is all of me for today. And thank you for your attention. And if you like, you can visit us at our webpage, www.funzionano.com, or contact me at the email ik@funzionano.no. Thank you